Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can allow camera access on TikTok. So it's pretty simple, but before I teach you guys, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And without any further ado, let's start the video. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip, then you guys might get confused. So basically what allow camera access on TikTok really means is like, for TikTok to use your camera, you should first give TikTok the permission to use your phone's camera. Because if you do not give TikTok the permission to use the phone's camera, then like your phone is not going to allow TikTok to use its camera. So that's basically what allow access means. So for this, you can click on this plus button over here. Once you click on this plus button, this will be popping up over here saying allow TikTok to take pictures and record videos. If you click on allow, it should probably work. But if it doesn't work by any chance, which is rare, but if it still doesn't work, then basically just go out of TikTok, hold on this TikTok icon and click on app info. Once you click on app info, you want to go to permissions over here. Once you're in permission, make sure your camera permission is on over here, and this should probably fix it. If it still doesn't work, just delete TikTok and reinstall it again and do the same steps which I just did, and it should fix it. And if it still doesn't work, then basically it must be that your phone's camera is physically damaged. Just check it, or like take it to a mechanic to fix it. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once a new video releases. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.